Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I package up my jewelry. I'm working on this order and they had ordered these mushroom earrings for a birthday and they're picking it up today. So I was trying to figure out what kind of card back I wanted for it. And since my jewelry shop is Raul's Treasured Trinkets, I have two different cards, and I also have on this one Designs by Laurel. And then I was thinking, okay, if I use this one and I put the earrings in here, they hang quite nicely, and it also fits in this bag. But since it's a birthday gift, I thought I would make a smaller one and then add the earrings. And this is a lighter weight cardstock. And I think that looks very nice too. And it fits nicely into the box. And these were the two cardstocks I had. This one's a little heavier. And this is actually handmade paper. And this one's a little thinner, and I thought this was kind of pretty because of all the glittery gold bits in it. So that's what I decided to go with. Now I have to print out something for the top, which I think I'm just going to do Raul's Treasured Trinkets and then just put handmade jewelry and then just put a sticker on the top. So, I mean, I'm not really sure. I don't have time to really say, hey, can you help me out here? And send me a comment below, but I would appreciate for my future orders if you could tell me which one you like better. This would be perfect. I like the font on this more so than on here, but I was thinking what I might do is do more backings for my necklaces and my earrings, and just put Raul's Treasured Trinkets, Designs by Laurel. And I was thinking this font, because I really like this font, and I think I might have to get a heavier cardstock than this, because this will do for today, because I really need to get it out today. They're actually picking it up, so I think this is perfect. And I just did a little added touch of doing the little mushroom drawing, and it just says mushroom earrings on it. And I'll probably do the same with all my other ones too, but since it's this one going out today, I just wanted to show you. And I would really appreciate, any comments if you thought this was cute or not. And then I'm going to get to printing the top for that. The only problem I have is I just got my iPad, and for some reason I can't get it to pair with my Canon. So I got a Canon Pixma and it just won't pair with it. So I think it's because it keeps asking for my password to connect it to the internet, but I can't do that because I can't remember what it was. So let's get started on doing this first, and then I'll worry about how I'm going to get it connected to my printer. Actually, the way I printed these was I just sent it to my phone because my phone was already hooked up, so it just printed out from my phone. I might have to do the same. I mean, y'all have to do whatever you can to get the job done, so that's what I'm previously doing. It's not exactly the best option, but it's working for now. All right, so let me get to designing this, and then I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, so first we'll go to Procreate. And yes, I've been doing some drawing. My son did this one. I don't know if you could see it. Nope, you can't. Good. So I'm just going to duplicate this one, bring that up, Okay, and this is the font that I like. So I'm not sure how I'm going to put it on the box. I don't know if I want to keep the mushroom there, but definitely the mushroom earring thing is gonna go. So we're just gonna remove that. And then I'm going to add some text. I'm just changing the size of the font. And then I'm going to get my keypad and just put handmade. Okay. And then just okay. Okay, the keypad. And then this creates a new layer. So I'm going to go back and press this and select it. Bring it down here. I don't want it so large. I want it about the same. So I don't know, should I do handmade jewelry or just handmade designs by Laurel? Because we can just make it about the same size. And oops, it doesn't want to center. Like so. I guess this looks okay. So let's do a test print. I almost forgot. First, we have to save it. So we do share, and I'm doing JPEG, and I'm just sending it to my images. And then now I'll just send it to my phone and then print it out. Okay, so there's one more step I forgot to do, and I need to merge this down into this before I, oops, didn't want that. Before I save it again. I'm going to do PNG and then save to my images in gallery. Okay. That's not it. So let me see, go back. That. We're going to send it, and then I'm just going to send it to my email. So I'm just using regular sticker paper. It's like for labels. I really don't want to use my good stuff that's for stickers. And so this is really a great product. So if you need sticker paper and you're making any stickers, this is perfect. It's waterproof, pretty much destruction proof. So it's really nice. It doesn't tear. So this is a good product. And I really don't want to use that just to put on top of the box. So I'm just going to use just these regular label stickers just to see. I do have some laminate, self-adhesive laminate that I could put on top of it. I don't know if I'm going to do that or not, but I'm definitely just going to use this sticker. So we're going to be right back when I print that. Okay, so it printed out, and so now I need to cut it. I gotta find my cutter. I don't know if this will fit in this little cutter, so we shall see. Yep, it does. Okay, so first I want to take a little bit off the top. I'm trying not to really waste too much of this. Unfortunately, it's too big for that, so we might just have to go all the way across, which is sad because I really didn't want to do that, but we could save the rest of it for something else. Okay, so we might need a little bit off this side just so that it looks, you know, all so all the sides look exact. And there we go. And then this will just be put on top of here, which looks like I might have to take a little off of the top and the bottom, just so that it'll fit nicely. I don't want to take too much off because then it'll look kind of funny. Oops. And then a little off the bottom. And that should fit on there perfectly. So, let's see. The next thing is to unstick this back. I haven't used these before, so I can't really tell you. It's just a lower grade sticker, or well, for labels. They're perfect if you're mailing stuff out. But let's see. Oh, let's see if I can. Oh, there we go. There we go. Just need a little help. Doesn't work too good with your fingernails. So, all right. So now I have to make sure it's centered. No. It's kind of hard to do it when you're. Oops, sorry. Kind of went out of focus. It's kind of hard to do it when you're looking through the camera. There we go. And that is perfect. So what do you think? I tried my best with this. This is, I've had orders before, but I never did it to this extent. I would put the product in the box, put the, box all together, and I'd leave, my business card in there and then just mail it out. But since this was a birthday gift, I thought I'd do it a little bit better and make things look a little more professional. And so, I mean, if you have any comments, like as far as the fonts, I thought this might be nice if I do a show, because then I can just like have a hole punched up here and have them hanging up. And then, just obviously make a little bit more room because they'll fit in here. But just add a little bit more, punch a hole, hang it up. I'm thinking I want to use this font because I think this is much prettier. And then I'll just put something like, instead of having the whole mushroom thing, just have Laurel's Treasured Trinkets, handmade, designs by Laurel. And then just use that for when I do like an art show. That's what I'm thinking. If you have any other ideas that I could use, or maybe some cardstocks that might be good for this. I thought I had a good one. This is a little bit thinner, but it does feel good. My business cards are on a thicker cardstock, but I really didn't want to use that because it was just plain old white. So I thought this was kind of nice with the little glitter of gold. You can see it throughout. But so that's me packing it up. So this is ready to go. And they're picking it up tonight. And I just need to take a few pictures of it so I have it for my references for later. And then I also have to figure out how to get my iPad connected to my printer. I finally got the iPad connected to the printer. My son actually remembered the password. And the person who wanted these earrings came and picked them up tonight, and they were very happy with them. So if you're happy with my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell for notifications of my upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find links to my jewelry, my artwork, and my photography. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.